I love this word. I love its meaning. A gentle touch on the hand, the smile of a kid, somebody who loves you right, a deep sense of peace that has a little smile in the corner of the heart. When you feel deeply touched on the inside, like a gentle caress. Teary eyes, a soft kiss, lips barely touching. A moment when you feel connected, you feel God inside of you. And it is so tender, like a fluffy white little dog. The breath caressing the organs so tenderly, so soft. The lover inside who loves you right. The sensuality in your mouth and throat when you speak loving words. The wind on your skin on a summer night, moving slowly and then even slower. The slowest until you stop. Stillness, grace, touched, teary eyes, loving and being loved, right, God. I pray for the grace of God for all. That's the practice. To pray for this grace of God, of life, of love. Hi, thank you for being here on this path to free love and love free. I wanted to let you know that if you want me to record a video on a specific topic, you can drop me a question in the comments down below or via email. You will find the email in the description of the videos. I see you.